Hello and welcome back to the K Middle East YouTube channel. My name is Sanjeev Kaushal, and first of all I would like to thank you to all of the viewers and subscribers of my channel. Those who continuously watch, like, share my videos, I would like to thank you to all of them. And in today's video I will tell you about the Canada latest tourist visa, visitor visa updates. I have also many applications, still those are under process, and you also might have applied for Canada and you are still waiting for your result. So in this video we will talk about this, when you will get your result, and now it's good time to apply, or what are the documents, fee structure and everything. So watch my video till end if you already had applied for Canada, and if you are further looking for application submission in the Canada, when you have to submit it, or what will be the process and everything. I will explain each and everything in detail in this video. Now let's get started with this video. There is a huge time now and we have to go through this because due to this COVID-19 and lockdown, almost the immigration procedure will be shut down in almost all the countries, and Canada is well-known immigration countries. Thousands, millions of people every year annually applied for a visitor visa, tourist visa in Canada, and also another study visa, work permit, residency permit, direct PR applications. There are many category of visa. Many people on annual basis applied in Canada. And due to this COVID-19 lockdown, the IRCC and immigration agencies over there has stopped their working. Due to this, there is a huge rush on the number of application, and this waiting time is due to this only. Nowadays, student visa applications, those who have applied for student visa are continuously coming, result of the student visa applications. So this is the deadline for student visa, which is August 10th, and after 10th of August, further IRCC will move to the visitor visa decisions and applications. So it is a good news for those who are waiting from 8 months, 10 months, 12 months for their application on a visitor tourist visa. Now IRCC will move on after 10th of August onward the decision of their applications. So it is assumed that by 15, 20 or end of the August, all the application have been submitted. 10 months, 12 months, 12 months ago, will get the notification on their IRCC account. So we'll continue check on it, and if there is any further documentation requirement, update that documentation requirement on a particular time so that you will get the result on an appropriate time now. Now another good news is Canada has announced that by 9th of September, all the candidates, those have valid Canada tourist visa, multiple entry visa, can enter inside Canada on a tourist visa, visitor visa to perform their leisure activities. The condition is they should be fully vaccinated. You have to go through the 2 vaccination COVID-19 doses, and they have approved 4 vaccine till date, and the name of the vaccine is Pfizer, Johnson & Johnson, Moderna and AstraZeneca. Those people who has taken these 4 vaccinations and you have the valid certificate of these, you can apply for Canada now, and you can get entered on a visitor or tourist visa in Canada now after 9 of September. Now we will further move on what are the documents required for Canada visa. If you are here in UAE or in Gulf countries, and if you are working as an employee in UAE, so the document primary checklist is we require your travel passport, and your passport should be 6 months or more than that valid. Your UAE visa copy and ID copy, it also should be approximately 6 months or more than that valid, and NOC letter from your employer, from your company, with the 6 month of bank account statement, and your bank account balance should be 40 to 45,000 minimum. Maximum you could show anything what you have want. And further we require your 3 months or 6 months salary statement. Either you can show inside your bank account statement if it is same. If it is not the same, then you have to take the salary statement, salary certificate from your employer separately. And these are the main primary documents with your latest 2 photographs of. And now if the secondary document we will talk about, it should be your family document. As an additional document to support your application is your marriage certificate if you are married. If you have any property, you can show that the registration of your property and papers, it should be commercial or residential as well. And if you have any assets, bank account, FDs, credit cards, you also can add this, and credit card statement if you are using it. Apart from this, if you have any expensive car, you can give the car registration with it. And You can give your family document like your marriage certificate, if you have kids, their birth certificate, and most important is the travel history. Canada is looking for your travel history. For those people who don't have any sponsor or invitation from the Canada in any of the case, then I recommend that don't apply directly, because I have seen many cases those who have applied directly got the refusal from Canada IRCC immigration, because Canada is critically looking for the travel history. So I better recommend you first take the Schengen visa and only then apply for the Canada visa, which is a multiple entry. All the nationality now are eligible to get entered after 9 September, as Canada Immigration Authority has announced, and you can apply your Canadian tourist and visitor visa now online is available now, and after submission of the application within 1 or 2 days you will receive your biometrics letter, and after that we need to book a VFS appointment and you have to go over there for submission your biometrics. Then your application will be fully submitted and you have to wait for your decision. Now if you want to looking our assistance, we are also making the Canada tourist visa application form in UAE and everything we will provide you appointment, travel insurance, hotel, return ticket, covering letter, your itinerary plan, everything we will make in 1000 dirham only and submit inside the online IRCC website, and also we can make through the VFS process physically if you want to submit your application over there. Now only online process is available. Nowadays it's commonly seen that the result is also declared for the critical visa only, not for the tourist visa, for the critical visa only. And those who are waiting for the tourist visa and for their decision, it will be declared after 15 or 30th August, and continuously the time of waiting will be decreased as assumpted. Thank you so much to watch this video. If you like it, please like and share with the maximum number of people so that all can get the benefit of this information, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.